In this video, we'll demonstrate how to go live on Instagram using your smartphone. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android smartphone or iPhone. Swipe right on the home screen to access the story view. At the bottom, you'll find a menu with options such as Post, Story, Reel, and Live. Select the Live option from the menu. Then tap on Add a Title to give your live broadcast a name. Once you've named it, tap on Share with Followers. You'll be presented with two options, Followers and Practice under the Audience section. Choose Followers from the list. Once completed, simply tap on the Live button located in the middle. To invite someone, tap on the Invite icon at the bottom once your live video starts. Enter the name and finally tap on Invite. You have the option to schedule the Instagram live session by tapping on the calendar icon on the left side. To schedule, just input the video title and select the desired start time and date. Once finished, tap on Schedule Live Video. Your scheduled live video will be added to the Your Live Video section. To return to the live video menu, simply tap on Cancel. This video serves as your ultimate guide for going live on Instagram. For answers to all your tech questions, subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into our specially curated videos just for you.